Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Janine and this is Janine's Tap Dance Studio. In today's video, I'm going to go over my choreography to Flowers by Miley Cyrus. If you haven't watched the short yet, where I did the dance with music, I would recommend after learning the choreography, going and watching that one so that you can then do the choreography put to music with that video. So I will link it in the description box below. So let's get started here. So we start with 2 paradiddles. So it's right during the chorus. And it doesn't start with her singing, it starts a little bit before. So you'll hear 5, 6, 7, 8, and then you'll start 2 paradiddles, right side, left side. So you're going to go 1, 2, and then you're going to do a triple paradiddle on your right foot. So that goes dig, spin, then your paradiddle. You're going to repeat that on your left side. So 2 paradiddles now, left, right. And then your triple paradiddles now on your left. From here, right foot's ready to go. You're going to go shuffle, step, heel, right, then left, and then a 7 riff on your right foot. So that's going to go step, stuff, heel, dig, toe, heel, heel, back, front. So again, shuffle, step, heel 2 times. 1, 2, 7, count, riff. Now you're going to repeat it on your left foot. Shuffle, step, heel on your left, then right, 7, count, riff. Okay, let's put that whole thing together so far. Paradiddles into shuffle, step, heels, and 7 count riff. And 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, we're going to go into some drawbacks. We're going to start with 2. Right side, left side. Oh, and I forgot to mention, between the 7 count riff and the next shuffle, step, heel, there's a slight pause. So listen for that slight pause. It's just a breath in the music, so just kind of breathe with the music. So after our last 7 count riff, another slight pause. Then you're going to go into your 2 drawbacks, right side, left side. 2 Cincinnatis, right side, left side. And then finish it off with 2 drawbacks. And then you're going to repeat it again. So 2 drawbacks, 2 Cincinnatis, 2 drawbacks. Okay, so it's 2, 2, 2. So drawbacks, 2 drawbacks, 2 Cincinnatis, 2 drawbacks, and a total of 2 times. So you repeat it twice. From here, you're going to go step, step, pull, back, step, step, pull, back, step, step, pull, back, step, step. For the pullbacks, I'm doing right-sided double pullback. So step, step is right, left. First time is slow, so 1, 2, and then your double pullback on your right. Pull back, step, step, pull back, step, step, pull back, step, step. So the first 2 steps are slow, and the subsequent steps are faster. So slow to begin, faster to pick it up. So from here we have 3 of them. 1, 2, 3, ending with a final step, step. So it's right after your drawbacks. Okay, let's try it from the top, going all the way through there. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Double step heel. Drawbacks. Again. Pull back. From here, we're going to do 4 traditional time steps. So when we start our traditional time steps, we start them with a shuffle. So with your right foot, we just finished here. Step, step. Right foot's going to start. You're going to go shuffle slow, hop, shuffle fast, full lap step. And then repeat left, right, left to finish it out. And then I like to finish it with a right foot stomp to make it nice and finished. So from here, we just finished here, step, step, Then shuffle. Okay, let's put the whole thing together now. I believe this is up to tempo. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle, step, heel. Drawback. Pull back. Time step. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Again, if you want to do this dance with music, I'm putting the link to the short that I posted earlier this week down in the description box below. So if you want to try it with music, go ahead and watch that video. If you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe for new tap videos every Tuesday and Thursday. Again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.